Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. So today I'm making the chiffon effect again, and I bought this a bit of holographic iridescent sort of fabric, and it's chiffon. I will link it in description, and I bought it from eBay. So this is my DIY mold, and I will link the video for this as well. So what I'm doing here is I have taken my outer ring of the mold and I'm sticking it on an acrylic sheet. And now I'm pouring my resin here. So I forgot to add the tint, so I am doing it right now. So for you everyone doing it, please mix your tint into the resin beforehand. So just using my heat gun to remove the bubbles. So at this point I still didn't knew that I had to add the tint, so now I am. So I'm just mixing it here now. So this will take me a little time to mix my tint now because it's already in the mold. So while pouring the tint into the resin, I got a lot of bubbles. So this was a mistake here. So please avoid that and make sure that you mix your color beforehand. So now I will be taking the fabric. So this is my fabric here. So this is again really up to you how you want to add your fabric into the resin. And I already recommend you that you have to use a low viscosity resin for this technique. For me, I added the resin, a color into the resin, and then I was using the heat gun for this. My resin got a bit on the thicker side. For this I got some bubbles. So as much as I was excited for this technique, I got some bubbles, but it's fine. So here I'm just adding the fabric into the resin. So I'm just cutting off the excess fabric here that I don't need. So now I'm just checking in the excess fabric. Taking care of the folds and also taking care of the height of the mold, because I have to keep level it with the fabric with the mold. Now I'm adding some more resin on top. and still doing some adjustments. And now I leave this layer to cure. So this is the next day and this layer has been cured now. On to the second layer. And I will leave this layer to cure. And now this is the third day and this is the final layer. All my layers are cured now and I will be backing it off with a black resin here. Because for my previous pour I have seen that the black gives more depth, so that's why I'm adding black. And with this black and final layer I will leave it to cure. So this is the final day and let's demold. So just to show you that I got some overspill here. First of all, I will be removing the overspill. Removing it from the mold that comes off easily. And this is how it turned out. I really love it how the fabric is giving that iridescent holographic effect, but at the same time the bubbles that I was talking about, it's really the mistake that I have made myself if I haven't had mixed the tint beforehand, but it's fine. We deal with stuff that happens because it's resin. So just showing you, now I have some holes that I will be cleaning up and doing the sanding here. So after doing the sanding, I will be adding the top coat here. Just cleaning up and making sure there is no dust on my coaster. So I added a little bit of the resin and now I will be blowing it with the heat gun so that all the bubbles get removed. So it's looking like a beauty in disguise now at the moment. So doing a top coat is a bit of therapeutic for me. It brings out the beauty of the coaster. I really enjoy this process. So let's see how this coaster turned out. So this is the final look of the coaster and I have a mixed feeling about these bubbles. They look beautiful to me sometimes and sometimes I am a bit irritated with them. So please do let me know in comments that what do you feel about these. But with the fabric, I am really happy how this turned out. It is giving such a beautiful effect. So this is outside. But again, it's a good experiment and I'm really happy with it. So this was a process video on the chiffon effect that I bought a new fabric and just experimented here and showed you. So I hope you like it, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so. Thumbs up if you like the video. Take care. Bye bye.